Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training, and today we're going to look at creating our plumbing model from this basic Revit project. So here, I'm going to go here new again, and we want to grab a template. And for this, we want to grab the plumbing template. And there it is right there. We're going to open it. Okay. So now we're in our plumbing template, and as you can see, we have set levels, the ceiling plans, and everything. But what's going to be the focus here is just the plumbing, so the plumbing equipment. So now what we need to do, first and foremost, is go in and link in our model. So we'll go to Insert, and we're going to Revit Link. Okay, where did I have that thing? Okay, give me a minute here. Okay. 1 second. Let me think about where this thing is, because I don't remember where I put it. Oh, I know. I'm going to Insert, Link Revit, go to my desktop, and I'll go to here. It's there. Here it is, right there. We're going to go Open. So we're linking in our architect's model into our plumbing map. So I'm going to just say OK here. Should have probably read it. So now there's our linked model from the architect's model into plumbing. As you can see, all of the equipment is highlighted here. And so then what we'll do is always we'll select this link. We'll go on our properties, edit type. This will be room bounding. We'll apply and we'll say OK here. So now what we're able to do here in this is connect our plumbing. You can do a few things here. Most plumbers will basically go in and just create pipes. So here, what we need to do is copy this into our plumbing model. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my north elevation here. Okay. I'm going to do window tile here just so we can see everything in ZA. So here's our elevation, all our plumbing equipment. Here's our plan. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into our Collaborate tab here. And we're going to copy monitor. And we're going to select the link, this one. And then here, we want to copy, and we're going to hit multiple. Now you can just grab everything here, like so, and you can use your filters. So here, all we want is plumbing fixtures and equipment. So we don't need the floors, we don't need the mechanical equipment, and we don't necessarily need the wall. So this is all we want to bring across. So we'll say apply, okay. Now what I should have also done was grab the levels. So I'm going to finish that. So we know that we have at least on the first level the plumbing equipment. So we got to go back and grab it also on the upper level. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cheat here a little bit, guys. Go back, because I didn't do this properly. I'm going to just go back, and I want to do this the easiest way. Yes. Okay. My bad. I shouldn't have did this. So I'm going to insert. I'm going to link Revit this file here, and I'm going to open. And I want to say I'll say okay here. So there's our linked model, our linked architect's model. So what we're going to do is bring plumbing into this model. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab everything. I'm going to collaborate and copy monitor. And I'm going to select the link. So this is the link I want to copy monitor. And I am going to copy multiple. So I'm grabbing everything now. And on the filter. So what I want to keep here, I want to keep levels. And I want to keep mechanical equipment. I don't need the walls. Mechanical equipment. Do I need mechanical equipment? No, that'll be for HVAC. I'm going to click that there. And I'm going to apply. Okay. And then I want to select finish. So now we're able, okay, it's still doing its thing here. And these are little check marks of things that sort of changed or whatever. We got video in there how that works. And then I want to stop monitoring here. And so now I want to select finish. And we're done. So now we've got our equipment in our model. Okay, now we need to adjust these levels. Okay. Sorry. Go to my north elevation, which we'll go to my east elevation here. And we'll adjust these. So this one, okay. But anyway, guys, I'll adjust these. But that's how you copy in your, and then here also we can do our plumbing here. So we can select this here and cancel that. Probably want to bring this into another video here, show you how to do the plumbing. But we need to fix these levels on this end. But the plumbing is basically like everything else. You select the hot water heater, and then you hit piping here, and that's going to be sanitary, domestic hot water. You select that, and then you go in and you edit the system, and you just add to the system. So you want to use that guy. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll pick up on this in the next video. So hey guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. And super thanks would be great. Send $2 or $1 or 10 or 100. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Be safe. Love y'all.